Good evening and welcome to 200forexpress.com. I am here with the final analysis of 26th of November 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report and Euro USD with a bullish expectation from 113,555 and 113,823 is the target price that I have supplied in the morning. And guys, you can clearly see that the market has started making a bullish momentum right from the entry that I have provided in the morning, and finally it has touched 113,823. I have supplied the lesser gap in case of for Euro USD because it was expected that it will not go so much up. That's why you can see that we have a drop in the second session of the day. However, if you have traded our signal in the first session of the day, then you must have completed it in a very successful manner. Okay, now let's talk about the Great Britain Pound USD. Same thing, a lesser gap is provided in the case of Great Britain Pound USD. A bullish expectation was supplied from 128,216 and 128,628 was the target price. And guys, you can see exactly the market hit the target price, and after hitting the target price when our signal was expired, the market followed the backward momentum. However, we have traded during the first session of the day and the signal went perfectly fine. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So USD Canadian dollar with a bullish expectation from 132,009 and 132,408 was the target price. And guys, you can see the result is on the screen. This candle was closed just above the entry that I have provided in the morning. And after that, you can see that the market started making a bullish momentum. And finally, in the last hour, we have hit the signal. We have hit the target price 132,408. So I congratulate all those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on USD Canadian dollar. They must have collected a very decent profit. Okay, now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USD JPY, and that was already predicted by 200forexpress.com in the morning. 113,198 was the bullish entry and 113,396 was the target price. And guys, you can see first of all, look at this pattern that happened on 23rd of November. The market moved up, so again there was chances that the market will stay up today. So that's why we have to give the bullish signal on USD JPY. Everything was signaling the buy positions. So guys, you can clearly see the market even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So if you have taken the buy position today on USD JPY, then you must have collected the profit. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD USD. A big drop is seen, and the drop was supplied in the morning in the form of a bearish trend. However, the U-turn was big. AUD USD, but we do not take any trades until unless the market does not break our entry level from the top. This is the thing that we see in our signals. The market breaks the levels after few hours after providing the signals report. 0.72525 was the bearish entry, and guys, the target price was 0.72313, and the big drop is on the screen. And guys, if you have traded the scalper has pointed you with the sell position in the form of red arrow just below the overbought levels, and it was very easy to sell a few hours ago on AUD USD. Okay, not going to talk about the losing trades. Overall, the rest of the pairs have not taken the U-turn, so I'm hopeful that you people should not take any trade on the pairs that have not taken the U-turn, like for example New Zealand USD. No, sorry, this is not the pair. USD CHF has not taken the U-turn, so it does not break 0.99656 from the top, so no trade should be triggered on this pair. Okay, now I'm going to take you towards the chart on Euro USD. This is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top, you can sell the pair, but only sell when you see that the market is making the downward pattern. You know that this indicator definitely adjusts its level. It moves with the passage of time. So you need to be very careful. You need to sell only when you see that the market has started making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, and make sure that you should be using this indicator on 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly and monthly. For best results, you can consult 1 hour, 4 hour and daily. Therefore, day trading, you can get excellent results. And whenever you talk about the trading in the lower red boundary, let me switch my chart to some other pair. This is not a suitable chart at the moment. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. Whenever you see that the market has started making a bullish momentum from the low red boundary, then you can buy the pair. Okay guys, one interesting thing about this indicator is this: whenever you see that the candles candle is closed above the middle line, you can see there is a dotted middle line here. Whenever you see that the candle is closed above the middle line, then there are chances that the market can go further up. And you can see that today we have seen this thing on USD JPY, it has moved up. And whenever you see that the candle is closed below the middle dotted line, then we can expect further downward trend. And moreover, arrows are there to help you. When it gives the white signal in the lower red boundary, then you need to buy the pair. If it gives red signal in the lower red boundary, you will ignore the signal because the market has already reached to the oversold levels. So here you are not going to sell the pair anymore. So this is the technique that you need to use while using this indicator. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these powerful trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.